In this video, we'll demonstrate how to resize an image in Notion. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to resize images in Notion, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's begin. Open Notion and add a new page. To resize an image, you'll first need to add the image to your page. Click on the plus icon and search for Image, or type /image. Once the image block is added, you have the option to either paste the image link or upload your own image. Choose the image you want to resize. To resize the image, you'll notice black bars on the right and left sides of the image block. You can drag these bars horizontally to the right or left to resize the image. This allows you to adjust the size of the image either larger or smaller. Please note that in Notion, resizing an image provides limited control. You can modify the image size by adjusting it horizontally or vertically, but cannot precisely dictate the dimensions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tutorials and information, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com.